In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review aged receivables and payables reports in Xero. We'll focus on the aged payables summary so you can see exactly what you owe, who you owe it to, and how long those bills have been outstanding. This is a snapshot report, perfect for planning cash flow and staying on top of supplier terms. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to the reporting menu. From there, open all reports to see the full library. Use the search bar and type payable to quickly narrow it down, then choose the aged payables summary. This report groups your unpaid bills into aging buckets so you can easily spot what's current and what's overdue. Before you run it, set the date. Think of this as the as at point in time. If you want to see your position at month end, choose the last day of that month. If you're preparing for a payment run today, use today's date. The date you pick controls which bills appear and how they're aged. Next, open aging periods. Here you can choose whether the buckets are measured by day, week, or month. Days give you the most precision, which is useful for tight cash flow planning or short payment terms. Weeks can be handy for operational planning, like scheduling payment runs. Months are great for management reporting, and board packs because they align with typical accounting periods. After you make your selection, click Apply to confirm. In the aging by setting, decide whether to measure from the due date or the invoice date. Aging by due date tells you what's actually late based on agreed terms, which is ideal for payables management. Aging by invoice date shows how long bills have been on your books since they were issued, which can help you review internal processing times. Now, open columns to choose the details you want to see on the report. Add only what you need to keep it readable. Things like supplier name, invoice reference, and other categories relevant to your workflow. Include more if you're analyzing trends. Include less if you want a clean, high-level summary. When your settings look right, click Update to refresh the report. You'll see totals grouped into aging buckets along with the overall amount you owe. Scan the older buckets first, as they often indicate where follow-ups or approvals may be stuck. For the cleanest results, make sure your bills are entered promptly and that bank reconciliations are up to date. That's the process. The same approach also helps when you need to review receivables. Just look for the Aged Receivables report to see who owes you. With these settings, you can tailor the view to support cash flow planning, supplier negotiations, and month-end reviews.